Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Ega Sisters. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. My last video on dreams got very good response from you. If you didn't watch that video, I suggest you all to have a look over it. In this video, Dreams Part 1, I just want to tell you about the formation of dreams, memories and about REM sleep. First of all, thanks to modern science, it is now possible to see into a living human brain and observe the processes that occur there during sleep. Sometimes, modern medicine has even been able to bring people back from the threshold of death, and this has made the study of near death experiences possible. Despite medical progress and huge developments in the instruments used to observe human bodily functions, however, there are still many gaps in our knowledge about the nature of dreams and memories. As far as we know at present, for memories to be developed, genes in the brain nerve cells need to be activated, new proteins have to be formed, and nerve connections should be changed. So once again I will repeat the process of formation of memories. For memories to be developed, step 1. Genes in the brain nerve cells need to be activated. Step 2. New proteins have to be formed. Step 3. Nerve connections should be changed. We know even less about the creation of dreams. For a while, it was assumed that they were closely linked to REM sleep. Now, a new question arises. What is meant by REM sleep? How dreams are connected with this REM sleep? REM being the acronym of Rapid Eye Movement, a stage of sleep which is recognizable by the sleeper's rapid eye movement. REM sleep was discovered in the mid 20th century and has played an important role in explanation of dream ever since. In addition to the rapid eye movement seen during REM sleep, there are other motor activities as well. REM sleep occurs about every 90 minutes and lasts for about 20 minutes. Experiments conducted in sleep laboratories have shown that people who are woken while they are in a REM sleep stage are more likely to report having dreamed than those who were woken during non REM sleep. However, scientists have now discovered that people dream during other phases of sleep as well, although these dreams have a different quality. They tend to resemble consciousness thought sequences, whereas REM sleep dreams tend to be similar to cinematic narrative sequences. The connection between dreaming and REM sleep seems to be looser than was initially assumed. REM sleep has even been observed in the very rare cases of people who no longer dream at all due to brain damage. In this video, we have learnt about the formation of memories, connection between dreams and REM sleep, and about REM sleep. So let us revise once in 2 minutes. First one, formation of memories. Memories are formed in our brain in 3 steps. Step 1, genes in the brain nerve cell need to be activated. Step 2, new proteins have to be formed. Step 3, nerve connections have to be changed. So that's it about this. And coming to next, REM sleep, which means rapid eye movement. It is discovered in mid 20th century and played a major role in explaining dreams. This sleep occurs about every 90 minutes and lasts for 20 minutes. The final conclusion about this is people who are woken while they are in REM sleep stage remember their dreams most clearly than those who were woken during non-REM sleep. Let me know whether you experienced this REM sleep in the comment section. Hope you all understand. See the video twice for better understanding. In the next video, let us learn about the method to find out dreams, what are dreams trying to tell us, and Sigmund Freud theories about dreams. Still then, take care. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Ega Sisters. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks for visiting.